Okay, folks, I want to stop and talk about this plant here. So this is French broom. It is an introduced species that comes from the Mediterranean regions of Europe. It's recognized by the sprays of bright golden yellow flowers. It's a shrub. It's in the bean family, and it has little bean pods that dry and scatter seeds on the soil around. And it's becoming a bit of a problem because it's an invasive species that, once established, it can take over county parks and here at a city park. And it just outcompetes native species for space. So it's highly productive. And it's also able to grow back following removal, like weeding, or is quite happy to grow back and exploit resources following fire. So this is French broom, something that you may see, and it's a sign of disturbance.
California is home to 4,200 native plant species and is recognized internationally as a biodiversity hotspot. Approximately 1,800 non-native plants also grow in the wild in the state. A small number of these, approximately 200, are classified as invasive. The California Invasive Plant Inventory categorizes non-native invasive plants that threaten the state's wildlands. Categorization is based on an assessment of the ecological impacts of each plant. Introduced plants often compete with and even outcompete native plants for space, water, light, and nutrients, crowding out native species, reducing the populations and impacting animal species that rely upon the native plants for food. It is an uneven playing field as the introduced plants may have few or no predators or diseases compared to the native plants. Improved understanding of their impacts will help these working to protect California's treasured biodiversity.